In this video, I will be showing you how to install Claude Desktop on Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Claude Desktop download. We'll be having the official link from claude.com. Just click it. And here we are having the download for macOS. Select it. The download will be getting started. It is around 295 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and drop it inside applications. Go to apps, search for Claude, open it, and we'll be getting Claude for Mac. Click on get started. We need to sign in with our account, so click that. You can start using Claude desktop app. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in AI tools and coding. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.